In this video, we'll go through the process of getting started with Maia. First of all, you will need to head to Maia.ai and click Free Trial. To sign up, you can use a Google, Microsoft, or your work email. After entering your sign-up email, you'll need to check your inbox and click Activate Account to verify it. Then you'll be directed to fill in your profile details and select your region. In the following section, you need to set up your project. Here you choose if you want your instance managed by Maia or if you want to connect to your own cloud data platform. To get started quickly, choose a Maia managed instance. While the instance is being built, Maia will show you previews of what you can build from pipeline generation to custom connectors. Once the instance is ready, click on Get Started. Now you will be taken to the designer interface where you can start building your pipelines. A chat window with Maia will open and you can start instructing Maia on what you want to achieve.